Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to turn off your apps while you are starting your computer, the startup app, so how to turn it off, the startups. So first thing first, go to Task Manager, and here on Startup Apps you can see what is enabled and what is disabled when you start your PC, what apps will automatically start for you. And you can also check it here. So just type startup, and here you can see the apps that are starting when you start your computer. So I personally have it turned off, so my PC will not lag and will perform as quick as possible. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Peace.